75-mile-an-hour wind gust. That is insane. Okay. How much further can we go north? Damn! Oh man, how much further can you go north? Let's see. I don't know. I don't see no. This is a nice neighborhood. Fuck. There you go. Oh my god, that's a big gust. Damn, dude! It's actually stopping the vehicle. Look at the gust! Look at it right here! Look at that! I'm having way too much fun with this. That's not good. Oh, and poor trash can. God. Wow, look at it. Hey! Do I know who lives out here? You know what? Nigga Higga lives right here. Oh, damn! Whew. Let's see how strong this wind really is. Look at the big lines up there. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. The car shit. Oh, damn, the whole car is shaking. I love this area. It's right in the middle of somewhere. This is like the highest you can go. I don't know where this is at. Damn! I don't know where this is at. This is cool though. All I want to know is if there's an exit. I'm satisfied. Seeing the wind blow the trees like that. I am 75 wind gust. It's windier in exactly like a mile. You go down a mile, it's even windier. Too bad. That's 100 mile an hour. These are, I don't know how fast it is. I know it's fast though. Okay. Woo! Oh, damn! Oh, damn! Look at the dust in the air! This is too much fun! Oh shit! Roll the window up, roll the window up! Damn. Look at that. I'm gonna put it in neutral. I'm gonna put the car in neutral. Oh, actually, I put the car in neutral. Look, it's pushing the car back. It's actually pushing the car back. What the hell? Brake. Drive. Damn, dude. This is too much fun for me. I don't know why I'm having so much fun. I have never seen this much wind before. Just continuous. It's like a hurricane. Guys, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a wind test since it wants to be so windy. Alright, I'm gonna do a wind test. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna see if the wind itself is so strong that it can actually push this car without me pushing on the ghetto and turning the car off. Looks like it actually calmed down right here, but it gets stronger as you go down the hill. Okay, I'm turning the car off. The car has been turned off, and I'm gonna put it in neutral. The car is in neutral. Car is off and in neutral. I can't believe I'm getting pushed by the wind. It actually gets windier the closer you get to the houses. Okay guys, this ends part 1 of the high winds. I'm gonna go to even a windier place, which is about 2 miles down.